Hey folks, today is June the 23rd. It's currently 7:24 in the afternoon. We got a signal from Tradera. We can go ahead and jump over here and take a look at that. As you guys can see, Tradera team is placing a buy on AUD USD. So let's go ahead and jump into this. All right. I'm going to go ahead and set my levels here. All right, be back momentarily. All right, we have our levels set. Let's go ahead and set this up here so when we come back, we'll know where we entered the trade. We'll know where our stop loss was. And I'll typically go ahead and set up our first take profit. It's typically about 1-to-1. As you guys can see, our last profit target is about 135 pips away. So it's way up here. And so we'll go ahead and let that run. And we can also take a look real quick. Today's just Tuesday. But later on in the week, I'll most likely go ahead and jump in and take a look at the Tradera back office so that we can see what their record is so far for the week. All right, but for right now, we'll go ahead and let this run. And we'll see a bit later what comes of it. Be back later on. Hey folks, just a quick update. As you guys can see here, our first profit target was hit. We haven't gone up enough for us to have our stop go up to break even +2. But our second level is about 40 pips away from where we are right now. So hopefully the market will continue to push up. If not, it'll at least hopefully get to the point where we can have our stop moved up to break even. So we'll see what happens. And it is about 8:43 in the afternoon. All right, I'll be back once something of interest happens. Hey folks, it is now June 24th, 8:06 in the morning. As you guys can see here, market came up, like I said yesterday, to our first profit target and then came back down here. All right, let me actually pause it, and I'm going to take a look and see. All right, but we can take a look right here real quick. AUD USD, you can see we made $10.20 on that first one. And it looks like it did go up enough to get up to our break even +1 level. And as you can see here, we made a +$1 on the second part of that trade. All right, guys, let me pause it and I will check and see, since it is Wednesday, I'll see how many trades they've taken this week and how many are profitable, and if we're profitable so far for the week. Give me 1 second. All right. Just got into the Tradera back office here. You guys can see here 622.20 to 624.20. And where was that trade we just took? I think it was AUD USD. Yep. All right, here it is, AUD USD, and you can see here +16 pips. So obviously that did not go any further, just to the first profit target. But you can see they had other trades. One right here, Euro CAD +64, Euro USD +64. And this trade looks like it was entered here recently. All right, let me take a look and see when that trade came about. All right, so as you guys can see here, Euro GBP, that was 12:14 in the morning. And for me here in the United States, Eastern time zone, definitely wasn't going to be taking that one. So it is what it is. At this point, they've had about 4 trades this week. They are up and in profit overall. As you guys can see, up 144 pips. We'll see how this Euro GBP plays out. This is the first trade. Like I said, winner +16 pips. Actually, for me, I think it was about +20 pips because of when I got into the trade itself. But we'll continue to watch it, see what happens. Hopefully, we'll get at least one more trade, and I'll try to put them both in one video instead of adding 2 or 3 separate videos to YouTube. I'll try to add everything to the same video, and we'll just go from there. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, take care, folks. Hey folks, it is June 24th, 9:36 in the afternoon. You guys can see here. Just got a signal from Tradera. And let's see what it's looking like here. All right, so a sell trade on Euro NZD. We'll go ahead and get that in right now. All right, give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and set my levels here. All right, folks, we have our levels set up here. Stop is right here. First profit target is going to be right there. And we'll make a note of where we got into the trade at. All right, so if we're able to hit this, it's about 20 pips. Our next level will be at about 70, and the final level should be about 130. Well, it's 165 pips. All right, so we'll come back tomorrow, and either this will have gone up to stop us out, or it will have come down to hit, hopefully, a few of our profit targets. All right, I'll be back with you guys tomorrow. Hey, it is now June 25th. 8:54 in the morning, as you guys can see here. First profit target got hit. Market came down to our second profit target as well for about 70 pips. You can also see our stop was moved to break even +2. And now we have one trade still open. It's about 96 pips away from hitting that profit target though. But we can come here and see. You can see the first trade, $5.97, and the second trade here, $13.76. And again, this is on 0.10 lot size. So we'll keep watching it and see if before Friday we can get down to this third. If not, I'll go ahead and cut this video short and get it out to you guys. All right, I'll be back. Hey folks, just another quick update. It's now 1:46 in the afternoon, still June 25th. I moved my stop down to just a few pips above this level that we've had right here. Markets come up to it several times. And that level is actually 42 pips in profit. So the market still has a bit of ways to come up before it hits it. You guys can see about 25 pips away. That way at least we lock in a nice little chunk of the profit we've already made here. So I'll come back later. Hopefully by this afternoon, the market will have either made another push down so that we can manage the trade again, or it will have come up and stopped us out. We'll see what happens. I'll be back a bit later, and I'm just going to mark this level so that we know where I was at. All right. All right, folks. End of another day here. It's currently 10:22 in the afternoon on June 25th. So as you guys can see, the market did come up a bit. And then it came right back down. So we're just moving sideways here. So tomorrow morning, regardless of what happens, I'm going to go ahead and shut this trade down so I can get the video out to you guys. And I'll try to add both videos, or kind of condense them into one video. See if I can figure out how to do that with the software I'm using. So that way I won't have to upload 2 videos tomorrow. Anyway, I'm thinking about moving this down, but I might just leave it where it's at. And just tomorrow morning, we'll see whether or not the market came back down 70 pips, or if it went up 45 pips and stopped us out. So should be interesting to see. All right, I'll be back with you guys tomorrow morning, and we will see what happens. And we'll also take a look in the Tradera back office and see what their totals were for the week. Hey folks, it is now the 26th of June. It's 8:07 in the morning, as you guys can see here. And it looks like the market did drop a bit. At present, we're currently up 109 pips, so definitely a very nice move for us. And we're about 60 pips away from that last stop. But as I mentioned, I am going to go ahead and close out this last bit of the trade, so that way I can go ahead and get this out for you guys. All right, so as we can see here, just made $13.39, and the other parts of that trade that closed out were $13.76 and $5.97. We can also take a look here at the Tradera back office. As you can see, 622 through 626. That is Monday of this week to Friday, and it is the morning, so this isn't going to be the most up to date. There's still time for the market to keep on trading, but we haven't had as many trades as other weeks. You can see we only had 8 trades this week. All right, and out of that, we made 230 pips at present. And this is the trade. Where is it at here? Euro NZD. So here it is right here. So at present, you can see here, they've made 7 pips. And they also had 2 other trades that we weren't able to take, a GBP USD and an NZD Swiss franc trade. But like I said, at present right now, based on what they've closed out, Euro USD plus 64, looks like that hit the second profit target. A Euro CAD plus 64, looks like that hit the second profit target. A few that hit the first profit target. Then of course this one here hit the second as well. So not bad at all. I'm sure next week these will probably finish up, or either later on today. But anyway, at this point right now, up 230 pips. So definitely looks like the signals are working as advertised. Just gonna have to keep watching it, and it looks like they're also reporting them exactly as they're happening. Things are lining up with the results that I've been getting on particular trades. All right, so that's going to be it for this week. If you guys want to get more information on the Tradera signals, make sure you click the link below. And if you have any questions, just shoot them my way, and I'll try to get the answers for you. All right, folks, take care.